Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Flux AI, a realistic image generator by Black Forest Company, who created this Flux One AI model. So we're going to go ahead and try some images. So you have many websites that uses Flux One AI model. This was created by Black Forest Lab. And in this video, I'm using this website called Flux1.ai. It provides you 10 free credits with every sign up, and you can create as many accounts you like. So we're going to go and discover different models that this website provides. So let's go first to gallery. So here you can see there are different models that are fine tuned specifically for this website. And this one is the one where people are talking about a lot. It's creating realistic photographs, and we're going to try this out. And another Flux model I really liked was this Flux half illustration, which creates some illustrations along with the images. So it also takes your images as well and it creates adds some illustrations. Let's try this realism one. So in this realism model, you have a prompt and then you have the image on your right side. You can select different image dimensions and the image created will be public. Now here you can add your images, here you can add your details and it will generate the images. But before we do that, this website also provides some free tools. So we have this thing called prompt generator. So I'm gonna go in here and gonna write a prompt, say a woman in a park in New York, and I'm gonna submit the prompt. It's gonna take a few seconds before it generate the prompt, and here you go. It's right here. So I'm gonna copy the prompt, go back, and just paste it right here. Alternatively, you can also use ChatGPT and ask it to create prompts, but I like it this way. So what you want, I'm gonna keep it 4:5, the same like this, and I'm gonna click run. It's gonna take 2 credits of mine out of 10, and it's going to take a few seconds before it generates the image. It took a few seconds, but the image is now generated and it looks amazing. It's very realistic, as the name suggests. Realism, the photo is very real. You can add more details to make it look much better, and this is pretty much what this model does. I'm going to try further more models which are fine tuned. Let's go back to gallery and try another one. Let's try this one out. Flux half illustration. So let's just to compare the different models, I'm going to use the same prompt and let's see how the image is different in this model as compared to the other one. Here you go. So now after using the newer model, this is how the illustration looks like. Do note that I did added this line at the end and you can change it with whatever you like to add the illustrations. But again, realism is amazing and the illustrations are amazing as well. Now I'm going to go through some examples and show you what else can we do with this model. And let's go and look at this. So I think this picture is very popular. So I'm going to skip this one. Most people might know about this. Let's find out something more realistic and not seen before. Let's look at this one. So this is AI image. No one can tell that this was created by AI. And the prompt says a photo of a beautiful street in Freiburg with a tram passing by and people walking about and riding bikes. Amazing picture, looks very realistic, and you cannot tell that it's a AI or a real image. Another one here, an island covered with vegetation. Amazing. Then what else do we have? Realistic images in here. This one right here, a tense diplomatic negotiation. Then we have this a dark-haired woman in her early 30s. Flux AI has changed the game how things work. So this website makes you try this model for completely for free. It has some other tools that you can go and try, and there are obviously more models as I told you. The other models we have here is the 80s Cyberpunk. We have Flux Backlight, we have Flux JWST, Flux Tarot, we have Flux Soft Surf Anime, and we have Flux 2004. As I said before, you get 10 credits and later on you have to pay. But there are some free tools you can try. There is also a feature that I haven't seen before, which is image to prompt, where you can just upload the image and it will generate a prompt. I hope you like this video. And if you did, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.